students, this is Anuva from AglaSem, and today I will talk about the reading challenge being organized by Central Board of Secondary Education, that is CBSE, with a focus on promoting reading literacy among the students. Reading challenge will be conducted in 2 rounds in a form of a test. The purpose of Reading Challenge 2020 is familiarizing students with the 21st century competencies of communication, critical thinking and problem solving. Moreover, this challenge is organized to test the candidate's speed and accuracy of understanding English language. Now proceeding further, I will first of all tell you the eligibility to appear for the Reading Challenge test. So, for round 1, that is first stage, all students of class 8th to 10th in CBSE affiliated schools can participate. And for round 2, that is second stage, students who will give the most accurate answers in the round 1 in the least possible time shall be eligible. Now, the question arises that what will be asked in the test. So, the question paper with reading task shall comprise 5 to 8 passages. Each passage will consist of objective type questions. The student participants are expected to complete the paper as quickly as possible. The students who correctly answer the paper in the shortest duration of time will be selected. Now, the important information is that the registrations for round 1 has already been started. Affiliated schools can register their students through CBSE website, that is www.cbse.nic.in. Fees shall be charged for this stage. After round 1, best 2 students from each class shall be selected by the school. In round 2, a computer-based reading test would be conducted. Only the schools that have completed the first stage shall be eligible for the second stage. Registration fee of ₹200 per student, that is ₹1200 per school, shall be charged for participation in the challenge at the final stage. Fees would be accepted only through debit card, credit card, NEFT at the time of registration of round 2. Moreover, fees once paid shall not be refunded. All the participants of round 2 will be issued an online participation and appreciation certificate by the board. Moreover, best 50 performance from each region will be issued a merit certificate. Now, before ending the video, I would like to suggest all of you to participate in the reading challenge, as it will be added in the portfolio of a student and provide learners an opportunity to practice and demonstrate their reading skills. With this, I end the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. We'll meet soon with a new video.